Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever, where I bring you the ultimate guide to achieving glorious gel nail designs that will take your styles to new heights. Whether you are a nail art lover or simply looking to add a touch of glamour to your everyday look, this video is your go-to resources for inspiration, tips, techniques, and different unique ideas. This video is for you. So dear viewers, subscribe to my channel to stay updated on the latest trends and never miss a new video filled with glorious nails art designs. Enhance your style, boost your confidence and express your creativity through the stunning world of gel nail art. So get ready to turn heads with your fabulous manicure. So dear viewers, by this video, we showcase a wide array of the gel nail designs that are both beautifully and long-lasting. From intricate pattern and bold color combinations to elegant minimalism, I cover a range of styles to suit every taste and occasions. In this video, you can get all unique, stylish designs in the comfort of your own home. So, learn the secret to achieving a flawless gel nail application, from preparing your nails to perfecting the polish. Discover the latest trend in nail art, including mesmerizing marble effects, captivating ombre gradient, and eye-catching geometric patterns. All are in this video. I also dive into the world of 3D embellishment, where crystals, pearls, and studs can transform your nails into miniature work of art. So this is all about you and your desires. You enhance your style and boost up your confidence in all the occasions by nail designs and nail art. So subscribe my channel and share my video to other ones and your family members to enhance the beauty of your personality in all occasions. So thank you for watching my video.